Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how I have grown 2 pineapple plants from one fruit that I have brought in the store. This is the second try. The first one was a total failure, so I made a few changes and succeeded, as you will see if you watch till the end. First of all, it is needed to pick out a fresh pineapple. Look for one with firm, green leaves that have not turned yellow or brown. The skin on the fruit should be golden brown and firm to the touch. Smell the pineapple to see if it's ripe. It should emit sweet, heady smell, indicating that you've chosen it at just the right time to start a new pineapple plant. Twist the leaves off the top of the pineapple. Grasp the body of the pineapple with one hand and use the other to grab the leaves at the base and twist them off. This method ensures that the base of the leaves will stay intact. It will be attached to a minimum amount of fruit, which you don't need in order for the plant to grow. If you're having trouble twisting off the top, you can slice off the top of the pineapple. Slice off the excess fruit around the root. Make sure the base, the very tip of the area where the leaves join together, stays intact. New roots will be sprouting from this, and without it the plant won't grow. Fill a large glass with water. The mouth of the glass should be large enough to fit the pineapple crown inside, but small enough so that you can prop it up to keep it from getting completely submerged. The stem should be submerged in the water, and the leaves should stick out the top. Place the glass in a sunny window and wait for the roots to sprout. It should take several days or up to a few weeks for white roots to poke out and begin to grow. Keep the plant away from extreme temperatures. Don't let it get too hot or too cold. Change out the water every few days to prevent the growth of mold. As you can see, the roots are long enough to be planted. Prepare a pot of soil. Fill a pot with light garden soil. Plant the pineapple in the pot. Wait until the roots have gotten long enough to take root in soil. If you plant the plant too early, it won't do well. As you plant it, make sure that the base of any remaining leaves are just above soil level. Press the soil firmly around the base of the plant without getting any soil on the leaves. Now what remains to be done is to water it thoroughly and keep it moist all the time. "250 days have passed since I have brought the pineapple, and as you can see, it have grown into 2 different plants. Now I want to divide and repot them so that they will grow better.